Okay, hello guys, it's Orange. Today we are going to talk about structural elements. As you can see, we are on site. We are going to do some of structural elements like this one. You can see this is what we call a column actually. A column is a structural element. This one on top doors and windows is what we call lintel actually. Okay, this lintel, this one like this, that's what we call half beam. If you can shift the camera backward, you will see that's what we call a half beam actually. We deck it, we cast it before completing the other half. The other half is actually complete when we are about to make the decking. So this face, as you are seeing a lot of timber like this. This one is what we call a eucalyptus timber actually. So we using for the knocking work. So this is the phase of knocking. These are bamboo. They will be used as support to carry the deck after casting. So you have the column, you have the half beam, you have the reinforcement there that you can admire. That's the reinforcement there. Okay. You have also what we call. Let me just show you here. You can see that's the one reinforcement that has been done. That's the bamboo. We are still to put a board there. We will be putting board there to carry the hollow blocks. Okay, let's go down. Push it. This is what we call an arch. Actually, it's like a lintel, but this one is usually having a circular shape, as you can admire. It's well done, well executed by our technician actually. Okay, so here you can see the reinforcement. As you can see, we are going to talk about many things. Come here. This is what the staircase actually. I don't know if you know all the parts of the staircase. Here we have not yet removed the formwork, but this here is what we call a tread. This length here actually is what we call a tread. This distance like this is what we call the tread actually. As you can see, it's around 30 centimeters, and here is what this vertical height. This vertical height is actually the riser. It's usually ranging in between 15 to 17 centimeters actually, and the gap that we have usually here is just that we did not remove the formwork. There is a gap usually here actually. It's around 10 to 15 centimeters. It's what we call the waist actually. So it's what we call the waist. This beam is still a structural element. This length like this, all this length like this is what we call a fly for a riser, right? We call all this length like this a fly. This is another fly. Here up there where we were standing is what we call the landing actually. As you can see here, you still have another column here, but these are decorative column, and here is what we call dwarf pillar. These are dwarf pillar, the one coming from the foundation actually. These are dwarf pillar actually. Okay, so this is what we call a hollow block. This is what we'll be using for the slab actually. As you can see, normally the dimensions are 50. I don't know what about you are counting, but here in Cameroon we usually have 50 centimeters the total length, and we have the width which is 15 centimeters as you can see there, and we also have this width here, the height that is 20 centimeters. Okay, so these are hollow blocks. As you can see, they have hole the both sides actually. This is to facilitate the piping work, the plumbing work and the electrician work. And this is what we call the rebeam actually, rebeam reinforcement. So these are rebeam reinforcement. As you can see, for the company we are working with a spaceman of 15 centimeters. The height of the rings actually for the rebeam reinforcement are actually at 17 centimeters. So these are rebeam reinforcement. These are block 20. What do we have here? We have our able technician there that is multi-block here. As you can see, we are doing the block on site directly. You have 2.5 actually. The ratio actually that we are using here is 1 quarry sand and 1 river sand for 22 block actually. So you can appreciate our technician actually. So our technician can say, okay. Okay, so let me just give you a taste. Okay, so okay, so I'm learning actually. They are teaching me how to mold hollow blocks actually. Okay, I will try it. Let me try it. Okay, so as you can see, I'll have the privilege to mold an hollow block today. Okay, so let me come here. Okay, I don't know if you will. Okay, it's not bad. It was an hollow block that I just tried. Thank you very much. I hope you people will like the video. If you like, leave me a comment. For any problem, you can just underline downstairs. We have experts there, we have engineers. As you can see, that's the site that we are working on. It's a very nice site. We have technicians, all the workers are actually just nice people. Thank you very much. Next time for the next video.